In a world where technology evolves faster than ever, a new breakthrough is changing everything we know about content creation. Imagine creating full videos without cameras, without editing, without effort. MetaAI has just introduced a tool that can generate videos in seconds. And what you're about to see might completely change the future of YouTube. Let's find out. Type MetaAI in the URL. Now you can see the interface. Now click Create option in the left side of the window. Now log in. After successful login, you can create task. Now we'll do one task. Drop an image in the right line. Type animate in the right line and submit. It will generate a simple animation in a second. Wow, nice animation.
Also, we can try sceneries. Write a scenery prompt. Select Video option. Hit Animate button.